Power My Analytics offers randomly generated sample data that you can use as an example when designing your reports in Looker Studio or Google Sheets. Sample data is generated by PMA's own random algorithm and a seed number that you can choose. It's made to look like real data according to industry benchmarks, and it's a great placeholder to use before you start connecting to real data sources. If you're an agency, you can design your templates for your clients without having to use real client data. Plus, if you're not using one of the connectors yet, you can use PMA sample data to try any connector before you subscribe. And you can start using the sample data as soon as you sign up for the 14-day free trial. And even after the trial expires, here's how you can set up a report with sample data in just a few easy steps. Setting up a report with sample data is a lot like setting up any report with PMA, except for one thing. You don't need to authorize any of your accounts for any connector before using sample data. In this example, we're going to make a Looker Studio report, although you can use sample data with our spreadsheets add-on and other data integration destinations too. Once you started your 14-day free trial, go to hub.powermyanalytics.com and click on Data Studio on the left sidebar. And make sure you uncheck Show Only Connected Accounts next to Create Data Studio Report, since you can use sample data with any connector whether or not you have an account to connect. Then pick the connector you want to use. For example, we'll use Facebook Insights. This will take you to the connector configuration screen for your new Looker Studio report. Click the drop down under User Account and pick Sample Account. That's our account name for PMA sample data. Now you can enter a seed and a magnitude, but only if you want. What are those? The seed is a number that you can pick from our random algorithm to use. We'll generate random sample data for the first time you use your report, and the random data will stay the same every time you refresh. If you want new random data every time you refresh, just leave the seed blank. The magnitude is a way to scale the sample data to be larger or smaller. For example, you might want to see your reports using bigger numbers. The magnitude is set by 100 by default, but you can change it to anything above 0. Think about it like a percentage. 200 will make the numbers twice as large, and 50 will make them half of the size. Now that you're ready to make your report, click on the blue Connect button, and on the next screen, click Create Report. Then click Create Report again in the pop-up. Your new report with sample data is ready to go. You can use it and customize it like any other report, and if you want to change your sample data, you can always edit the data source and change the seed or the magnitude. Sample data is a great way for you to get started exploring all the kinds of connectors that PMA offers. If you have any questions about setting up your reports or subscribing to PMA, just go to support.powermyanalytics.com. See you next time.